morning, dear students. Today you are going to learn the new poem, You Start Dying Slowly. I am Anjali Shirsi from Seva Southern High School, Solapur. In 2.1, we should go to the poem. Before going to the poem, we should go to the warming up activities. And in chit chat, you see there are 4 columns and there are 6 questions. And guys, here these six questions are for you, because in the question they have asked you that if you means you, not we, then that means you have to answer by using I, by using the first person I. What is the first question? If you do not study well, what will happen? I will fail. I will not be succeed. Your answer will be like that. If you wake up late on a working day means Monday to Saturday. Because these 6 days we work, means we go to school, we do studies, and Sunday is our holiday. So for this any working day, if you wake up late, what will happen? Your answer will be, my routine will be collapsed. I will not do anything accordingly and properly on that day. If you do not exercise regularly, what will happen? I will be fat. I will not be physically fit. Your answer should be like that. If you eat too much of junk food, what will happen? Guys, you all know that junk food is very much harmful for our body. And we should eat the harmless food like vegetables, fruits. So, by eating junk food, the effect of it on our body is very bad. And your answer will be, I will be fat. I maybe have to face the problem of obesity. The next question is, if you do not participate in school activities or games. You all know that, guys, school activities and games are useful to develop your personality. And because of the participation of these extracurricular activities, you will recognize by the people in the school and out of the school. Then your answer for this question, I will not improve myself, I will not improve my personality, or no one will recognize me personally. If you ignore a friend in need, you all know that there is a very good proverb is, the friend in need is a friend indeed. Means when we help a friend who is in need, we prove that we are a real friend for him or her. Instead of helping her, instead of having positivity to her or him, if you ignore, what will happen? Obviously, I will lose his or her friendship, or when my turn will be there, he will also behave like that only. Your answer will be like that. Then next, things I can do in my life. This activity is here, and you have to write what will you do for the nation, for your family, for your friends, for the old people, for the needy, and for myself, means for yourself. And you see guys, the very first sentence in the first column for the nation, they have provided one sentence. And you see, the sentence is like that. The thing which you can do for the nation, that is keep my locality clean. You see, the sentence is in the imperative form. And you have to write all the sentences by following this imperative form of the sentence. For my nation, keep my locality clean, save water, save trees, save nature, follow the traffic rules, respect the national anthem, help the government for its activities. For my family, respect my elders, take care of my young brother or sister, help my mother in housework, keep my house clean and tidy, keep my things properly. For my friends, help him or her in her study, provide my notes when he or she will be absent, wait for her for the school, encourage her or him for the participation in the competition. For old people, we always respect old people. So for old people, the sentence is like this: respect them, help them to bring them their medicines, bring newspapers for them and read for them, help them to cross the roads, make their pastime interesting by telling jokes. For the needy, try to fulfill what his or her need, share my things to him or her, try to give her comfort, try to make her satisfied by fulfilling her need or his need. For myself, finally I have to do a lot for myself, that is improve my lifestyle, study well, pray to God, inculcate good habits, try to follow my dream. You can write these kind of sentences for things I can do in my life. Next is what? That is, here one web diagram is provided and you have to complete the web and write a paragraph. Yes, you see in the middle there is a word, there are two words are given, that like my wish. And for accordingly to my wish, one wish is here, that is travel in space. Mean you see guys, you have to write the wishes, they are not ordinary. You have to write very special wishes like your dream. Travel in space, then reaching or stepping on the moon, then achieving the first rank in the national games if you are player, if you are sport person, achieving the first rank in the school in the final exam, fulfilling my dream, achieving my dream to be a doctor or to be a any kind of your dream, like that you have to write. And by using that your wish, you have to write the paragraph. And guys, this task you have to do very nicely. Then, now we go to the poem. You start dying slowly. Unit 2, 2.1. You see, the title of the poem is You Start Dying Slowly. The very first, when you glance it, I think you feel very much surprised. Why? Why the title is like that? You start dying slowly? Means, is the poet know when we will die? Does the poet know? No, not like that. You should not take the worldly meaning of this sentence. The meaning of this sentence is, if you don't do the things which the poet wants to say in the poem, you will lose or you will miss the interesting things of your life, and your life will be very dull. So, the poet has given us very good and realistic examples that how our life should be very much beautiful. We have to enjoy our life for each and every moment, and we have to improve our life. Guys, now we go to the poem for the very first stanza. You see guys, in the very first stanza, the sentences are starting by if. And this is one special feature the poet has given, that here, if you do not travel. Traveling is very important activity in our life, because when we travel, we can visit by different places. We can know the people from that places. We can interact to them. We can know their culture, and also we can have the contact to those people, and maybe our relationship will be growing, and we can have new friends. So traveling is very important, because we are getting knowledge. And the second sentence, if you do not read. Suppose guys, just imagine now you are able to read. But suppose if you don't read, if you are unable to read, what will happen? Just imagine. Oh, I know your answer. You feel so uneasy. How can you understand what the teacher is saying in the class when I can't read? So reading is very important. By reading, we become knowledgeable. By reading, we can get new words. Our vocabulary will be improved. By reading, we can understand the struggle of the successful people, and they can inspire us for improvement of our life. By reading, we can inculcate good habit with us. So, reading is very good habit, because the more you listen, the more you speak, the more you read, the more you write. So, the poet says, if you do not read, you will lose all these things. If you do not listen to the sounds of life, what the life wants to say us, we have to listen it. The life is saying that, yes, I am very beautiful. You have to enjoy each and every moment of our life. You should go forward. Don't stick to the past things. Don't stick to the bad habits. You should go forward and forward, and you should enjoy, and you should improve your life. So you have to listen to the sounds of life. If you do not appreciate yourself, guys, you all know appreciation is always done by others, like our parents, our teachers. You know that. And appreciation is always come from the good heart. The people who are having good heart, the good people always appreciate to others, because appreciation is such kind of good quality. Then here the poet says, if you do not appreciate yourself, means some people have the inferiority complex for themselves. They think that, oh yes, I am very bad, I am not able to do these things, I am not doing things properly. So they lose their hope, they lose their confidence. So rather than blaming ourselves, rather than complaining for our life, we must appreciate ourselves. Because when we value ourselves, then only our life will be very much beautiful and we can enjoy life. We should go to the life for having the positive approach, and our life will be very much joyful, happy, and we become very much confident. When we'll be confident, then we will do nice things for ourselves, for our society, for our family, and for our nation too. And if we don't do all these things, that like traveling, reading, listening to the sounds of life, and appreciating ourselves, we start dying slowly. When you kill your self-esteem, the second stanza, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. Here the poet want to say that we must praise our self-esteem, means our self-respect. We must have, means here the poet does not want to say that we must be very much proud for ourselves, we must have ego for ourselves. No, not like that. We must have the self-respect, the self-esteem. Because of that, we can raise our life, the quality of life. We can gather new things for our life. We can do new things for our life. And when we have self-esteem, we can have the good things with us. When we respect ourselves, then only we can respect to others. And we can become a good human being. And we can become a successful person too. When you do not let others help you. In our life, so many things happen. And when we are doing some mistakes, some people are around us, they are watching to us. And anyone from those who is very good guy, he or she wants to help us, we should accept it. Rather than neglecting it, rather than avoiding it, we should accept their help. Because their help may be improve our mistake, improve our life. And the poet says here, if you kill your self-esteem and if you do not let others help you, let means to give permission, you start dying slowly. If you become a slave of your habit, every person is a slave of his or her habit. This is truth. Because we always doing the same thing each and every day. You see, only when you think about our routine things also, we all the time doing as it is. Walking every day on the same path means there is no any kind of change in our life. Daily doing the same thing, same thing, same thing. You do not change your routine. Means daily you are doing the same thing only. By sticking for the same thing, our life will become very much dull and bored out. We never accept the new things. We never accept the challenges. And we never try to find out whatever things we have missed in our life. And we never improve our lifestyle. For that, we should be slave of habit, but those habits should be very good rather than bad habits. So, we have to change our routine. According to the situation, we must have to change ourselves. When we do these things, then only our life will be very much beautiful for us, for others too. If you do not wear different colors, oh my God, colorful life, colorful things, I think everyone like this, because when we go to the park, when we go to the garden, what will happen? The flowers, the beautiful flowers, please soothe our eyes. And butterflies, why do we like it? Because they are very colorful. So, if we do not wear different colors, what will happen? People always think that, oh, he is very bored, he is very dull, always wearing the same colors dressing. And this will have the bad impact of our image to others. Because our clothes reveals our personality. What kind of clothes we wear, that reveals our personality, that have the good impact to others. So, we have to wear colorful dressings, colorful clothes. Or you do not speak to those who you don't know. You see guys, we always speak to those who are very close to us, who are known to us. But what will happen in the mob when we go to the new places? And you see, there are so many people who are strange to you, who are unknown to you. And you just sit in the corner, not speaking to others. What will happen? People think that, oh yes, he or she has very much attitude for herself. So, and our bad image will be there. Here poet suggests us we should go to speak to the strange people, strange person. Because when we go to speak to them, maybe we can get good things from them. And you see, finally what will happen? Our friends list are growing. We can make new friends. And we can know, we can understand, we can realize good things from them also. And a new kind of friendship bonding will be there. So, here poet suggests that no, you should not speak only to your known people, but rather than You have to speak to the strangers too. And you should not have a bad image for that person before speaking to them. So you just go forward. When you go 2 steps forward, you see they come to 1 step towards you. So you should speak to the strangers too. If you don't do things, if you become a slave of your habit, if you walk on the same path every day, if you don't change your routine, if you don't wear different colors, and if you don't speak to strangers, what will happen? You start dying slowly. In the next stanza, if you ever to feel passion, passion means our most favorite thing, our dream, and which thing we like most. And like everyone has a passion. Means all the time we are doing our routine things only. But we like some things specially, like singing, dancing, reading books, trekking. And rather than realizing your passion, you avoid it. What will happen? Your life will be very much dull. Because daily you are doing the same thing only. When you follow to realize your passion, then only you can get some enthusiasm in your life. You become enthusiastic. You become very cheerful. And their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten. We human beings, we are human beings. And as we are human beings, we have emotions. And because of the emotions, we have some feelings for ourselves, for the other people. For the emotions, we know us, we realize it, and when we try to fulfill it, when we try to complete our emotions, our eyes will be starting to sparkle because of the happiness that sparkle in our eyes. So, the poet says, be emotional. And because the person who is emotional, his heart is full of love, full of care, full of kindness, and he or she may be a good human being. And because of that emotion, because where we feel emotions? In our heart only. And because of fulfilling our emotion, you see, when we are happy, what you feel? Our heart is beating fast. And if we avoid our passion, if we avoid our emotion, if you don't realize it, what will happen? Our life will be very much uninteresting to us. And you start dying slowly. At the last, the poets want to say, if you do not change your life, yes, it is very important. It is very essential for us. We have to change our life. Means according to the situation, we have to change ourselves. You see, nowadays, in this 21st century, we must become modern. We should accept the new things. We should accept the new challenges. That we should become more and more tech savvy. We should know how to handle these electronic gadgets like computer, mobile, laptop. And if you do not change your life, you do not accept new things, what will happen? You will be very much uninteresting to others. When you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, means we have to be satisfied with our job. Means we should be happy with our job and we should happy with our love. Because our love and our love is that which makes us comfortable, which makes us happy. And our job, when we like our job, when we satisfied with it, then only we can do all the things nicely in our job. So your poet want to say we must be satisfied with our job and our love for not to lose interest, not to miss the happy moments in our life. We do not risk what is safe for the uncertain. You see guys, in this sentence, two contradictory concepts are here displayed. Risk and safe. Means what is, when in the life, we must understand what will be risk in my life. What will happen in the future. And for that for that risk, I have to plan for the safety of it. I have to understand, rather than afraid of it, I should try to overcome from that risk and I should make my life safe and sound. If you do not go after a dream, oh yes, everyone must follow his or her dream. Everyone must follow, because for that only, because dreams are those which make our life more and more cheerful. We become more and more efficient. We become more and more active because we are always following to that dream. If you do, and when we try to follow it, we should take the effort for it. Without efforts, no one will be successful. So, poet want to say, you have to go, you have to follow your dream. If you do not allow yourself, at least once in your lifetime, to run away from sensible advice. Sensible advice means what? The person who are sensible, the person who are wise, they are giving the advices to us. And those are called as the sensible advices. Means what? In our life, so many things happen. Some maybe we are doing some mistakes. Maybe some bad events happen in our life. That time, doing the same mistakes again and again, uh, having the bad impact on our life, any of our near and dear who is observing us, and if he or she try to console us, try to make us comfort, try to give some advice for our betterment of our life, then we have to accept it. We have to follow it, because they are giving these advices from their experiment, from their experience. And you know, all experience is a best teacher. And their advices may be helpful for us to improve our life. But rather than listening to them, neglecting them, what will happen? Our life will be in a bad situation, we will fail in our life, we will be unsuccessful person, and again one thing will happen, we will hurt to those people and our bonding will be loosened here. Why? Because they think that, oh, this person is not listening to me, then why should I tell him or her? So here the poet says that always, guys, students, for you this is a good thing the poet want to say. He want to give a good message to you that always listen to your parents, to your teachers, to your elders, because they always try to improve your life. They always try to make your life more and more better. So, rather than doing all things, if you avoid it, if you don't let them to allow, then you see here the sentence left incomplete. You see here at the last line. That means the here poet want to say you start dying slowly. Guys, now I think you have understood the poem by the explanation. Then now we should go to the appreciation of the poem. I know nowadays up to now you have understood that for the poem we have to write two kinds of answers, that is one kind is for the comprehension and another is for appreciation. For the appreciation there are 5 points and you have to write in the point form the appreciation. The points are provided, also the poem is also provided in your activity sheet. Like that the complete poem is provided along with its title and along with its name of the poet or poetess. See here the very first title. The title, you start dying slowly. You see guys, you have to write title as it is. Means no change of any kind of letter style. Means capital, small, you have to use as it is. Then only you can get half mark. You start dying slowly. This is a title. The name of the poet, dash. This poem is composed by the famous poet, Pablo Neruda. And you see, the spelling is provided here of that poet. At the end of the poem, you have to write as it is. The first word P and N is capital as it is. Then you can get half mark. The next is the rhyme scheme. This poem has no rhyme scheme as it is a form of free verse into single inverted comma, free verse and in inverted comma single it is completed. You see F and V capital, free verse. Then next is, you should not write like that only. This poem has no rhyme scheme, not. But why no rhyme scheme? You have to answer it also. And then only you can get 1 mark. Next is figure of speech. In this poem, figures of speech are dash dash. Though they have told you write any one, you have to write 2. Because maybe any mistake for the spelling for any figure of speech will be happen while writing. So in this poem, 3 figures of speech, that is repetition, alliteration and oxymoron. So you can write figure of speech in this poem are dash, first repetition, alliteration. You see repetition I think you can answer it very nicely. The line you start dying slowly is repeated here. And he's in, you see, so many lines they have following the same letter. That is, you see here in the second line, in this last stanza, Y sound is repeated. That is, Y letter is repeated. That is here alliteration. Then in the fourth line, risk and safe, two contradictory concepts are displayed here. There you can hear oxymoron is the figure of speech. But you can write only two with the proper and the correct spelling. Next is what? That is what you have to write? That is the theme or the center idea of the poem. What is meant by theme or center idea? That means what does the poet wants to say us? You can write like this. This poem, you start dying slowly, is about human life. We should have the nice vision for our life, the positive approach for our life. Because our life is very beautiful and we should enjoy each and every moment of our life. And next is what we have to write? Activities like reading, traveling, listening, praising ourselves, wearing colorful variety of clothes, speaking with strangers, accepting helps from others, listening advices of the wise people, keeping positive thoughts and being hopeful can make our life more and more beautiful. Poet tells us how to live, what to do and what not to. Here, the poet has provided very realistic examples that our life is very beautiful. You are dying slowly means if you don't do these things, if you don't follow these things in your life, we will lose or we will miss our enjoyment of our life. So in this way, you can tackle with the question of appreciation. Thank you guys. We will meet in the next content very soon. Thank you.